Hello and welcome to this video series by Anything World. My name is Jay Santos and I'm the developer relations here at Anything World. In this series, you will learn how to create a basic prototype of a platform game implementing some of the most common concepts in these types of games. We'll start by creating the rotating third-person camera around our character. Then we will implement the character movement, including walking, running, and jumping. And then we will, as I mentioned, implement some of the common concepts in these types of games, starting with moving platforms. Then we'll do laser traps that kill you if you hit them. And we'll also do enemies that pursue you if you get into their field of view. And if they touch you, the game is over. The goal of the game is to collect 3 of these cards that will open the blue door at the back of the level. Once you pick up the card, you update the UI and we'll show how to do that as well. So let's get started.